Feels strange, doesn't it? Like the house knows she's dead. Yeah.
It's just a house.
To you, maybe, but to me, it's more than that. I can still see her walking down the stairs early in the morning, all done up and beautiful, or sitting at the kitchen table, chatting away while painting her nails, or washing my hair in the kitchen sink while she sang songs from the radio, or tell me stories about her and my dad dating while she made mac and cheese with cut up bits of hot dogs in it.
Maggie, are you okay?
Is there anything to eat? I'm starving.
I don't know. The house has been void of real nourishment for weeks.
I'll find something.
Well, did she want us to?
Were we supposed to? Probably.
Well, shit, we screwed that up.
We always do.
Hey, really fast.
Where are you going?
Back to the hotel.
But can't you just stay for a while? I mean, you haven't seen Maggie in years.
No,
right?
I'm not staying.
There's really nothing to eat here, but these beers will do.
But can't you stay for a while? I mean, you haven't
right,
seen Maggie
there's really
in
nothing
years.
here, but these beers will do.
Thanks.
Are you okay?
Sure. Why?
Well, you seem sad.
That's stupid. Of course I'm sad.
And bad choice of
Mother
words.
just died.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about my stupid, immature outburst. I just loved her so much, and now that she's gone, there's just like this empty hole, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Excuse me.
I'm not falling for it.
Here we go.
Not falling for what?
All the tears and the crying and the empty hole and I loved her. I mean, it's all bullshit and you know it. You didn't even come to the house when she was dying.
So
where
what?
was the
Neither
love
did
then,
you.
Huh? What?
Neither did you.
Well, she wasn't expecting me. I wasn't her favorite. You were.
Are you trying to start something?
No, she's not.
Yes, I am.
Janet.
I'm just saying. I'm just calling all the waterworks bullshit.
My feelings are real.
If you say so.
They are, so shut the fuck up.
Language.
Just drop it, okay? Just stop. I couldn't be there because I was stuck at school. It was finals, for crying out loud. I just couldn't get away. And I knew you could handle things, Agnes. You're a big girl. You don't need me to hold your hand.
Oh.
See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I've been doing all week. I just snap. Snap at my friends. Snap at Charlie. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
It's
okay?
No,
it's okay.
not.
Yes, it is. We are all a little overwhelmed here, remember? So we are all allowed our occasional meltdown. We will be respectful of everyone's feelings. Got it?
Fine.
Good.
This is what the place looks like with the lights on.
Yep.
Still smells the same. Like
Bleach.
Pine Sol.
ammonia. The deadly cleaning cocktail. So what's going on? What are you doing here?
Well, I just wanted to pack some of Mom's things before her family got here.
That's a good idea. They shouldn't get anything. Mom hated her sisters.
So Maggie,
Yeah?
what you been up to?
Nothing.
Okay. How's school? The last I heard you were going to state
I left.
before you graduated.
Yes, before I graduated.
Why?
School just wasn't for me. Not college anyway, but I'm going to beauty school now.
Beauty school.
Yeah, she's really good at it. She's top of her class.
Oh, so do you get like a degree or
We get a license.
license? And what are you gonna do with your license?
I don't know. Cut hair, do makeup.
Yeah, I figured that. But are you gonna work for some beauty salon or something or what?
No way. I got plans.
Plans, huh? Like what?
Never mind. You'll just make fun of it.
No, she won't.
Yes, I will.
Come on, just share.
No.
Oh, come on. I'm kidding. I want to hear all about your beauty school plans. I'm very curious.
See, go.
Please.
Fine. Okay, so like this town is stuck in some kind of time warp or the 80s or something, and I mean, have you looked around? It's nothing but a really big, overly processed hair tied up in a little multicolored scrunchie and scrunchies, really. So I made it my life's goal.
Wait. Your life's goal?
That's what I said. We're gonna hear this or not.
You bet I do.
Go ahead, Maggie.
Anyway, I made it my life's goal to open my own beauty salon. So as I was saying, I'm going to make it my life's goal to open my own beauty salon, and I'm going to re-fashionalize this entire town.
Fashionalize it. Is that a word?
I don't know.
It's not.
Well, I don't care. I'm using it, and I'm going to call it Maggie's Hair Emporium. And in the window there will be a sign that reads, "Refashionalizing America, one sorry-ass hickhead at a time. Welcome."
That sounds great, but I think you might want to leave off the sorry-ass hickhead part.
Don't get me started on what this town is wearing, I think, including the two of you.
Hey.
This town is in need of some desperate refashionalizing, and I believe in 2 years I'll have everyone in this town dressing just like the person I like.
I don't think the people around here want anything to do with the people in Los Angeles.
Sure they do. They just don't know it yet. As a matter of fact, come here. Let me do your hair.
What? Why?
I just can't help myself. Once I see someone in need, I have this urge to fix them. It's like a drug.
Do you do drugs?
What?
No, it's an expression. Christ. Just get over here, Agnes. Let me have that hair.
No, it's fine.
No, it's not.
I look fine.
Yeah, trust me, you don't.
Excuse me?
Wow.
I'm not gonna cut it. I just want to brush
I
it.
can brush my own hair.
Oh, why didn't you?
Look, I just don't care, all right?
Well, that's obvious.
Leave me alone. It's been a hard week. And I'm gonna leave.
Fine. You're lost. But if you ever want me to... to Mom. Fine. To you, Mom.
All right.
But let's do a real shot.
Yes.
To us.
We are pretty, aren't we?
Woo! Hey. Bartender, I'll have another.
Yes, another.
God, that's disgusting.
Hey, want to play a drinking game?
No.
Not really.
Guys, come on. It'll be fun. Hey, we can use it as a bonding experience.
No more bonding.
Bonding? Wait, you
No.
want bonding?
No,
Well,
we're not.
I've got your
we're not
bonding
gonna bond.
book.
We're not.
Fine.
Wow. There's a lot of shit in this house.
Is there junk in the garage, too?
Yep. Mostly your old toys. I saw your old tricycle in there.
Ooh, the orange one with the flowered
Yeah,
seat.
that's the one.
Hey, Jan, you remember when you taught me how to make snails dizzy?
What gross! I never played with snails.
Yes, you did.
Didn't.
You took my bike and you turned it upside down and put a snail on the tire and then spin it real fast. The snails got all dizzy because, you know, they were all sticky and stuff.
That's pretty funny.
Then you take it off the wheel and you put it on the ground and then it would foam up and you told me that the snail threw up on itself.
That is animal cruelty.
Good job.
Yeah. Mom would kill you if she knew that you were playing quarters on her table.
Oh, she knows.
Play it, Jan.
No, I can't. That's enough for me.
Lightweight.
Look, I'm going to be spinning later.
Oh, like the snail?
No, I'm too old for this stuff.
Old.
I don't drink anymore. No, since Daryl had to stop, I had to stop too.
Daryl's old.
To old Daryl.
Sometimes married couples just have to make sacrifices. Okay, God.
Can I ask you something, Jan?
Oh, if you must.
Are you happily married?
Why do you want to know?
Answer the question and I'll tell you.
Well, let me see. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I don't know. There are good days and there are bad days and there are, well,
Would you change things if you could?
About my husband or my marriage?
Both.
Oh shit, where do I start? I mean, there is always something you want to change about your husband. Like Daryl, he doesn't help with the kids and he doesn't help with the house and Daryl doesn't really do anything.
Poor Daryl.
But recently I've noticed it's the little stuff that seems to bother me more than the big stuff. Like Daryl, he does this thing.
What thing?
No, I don't know that I should tell you.
Oh, come on, we're sharing.
You're just gonna think it's stupid.
Probably, but share anyway.
Okay. He. No, I can't because it's just so stupid.
No, you started it. You have to finish it.
He wipes his mouth after every bite of food.
So, what's the big deal?
Every
bite of food.
Every bite?
Every single. Of food.
Really?
Yes.
Even when his mouth isn't dirty?
Even then.
Okay, that's just weird.
I know. It's and it doesn't matter how big or small the piece of food is. He takes a bite of food, puts down his fork, picks up his napkin, and he wipes his face. And then he puts down his napkin, he picks up his fork, he takes a bite of food, puts down his fork, he picks up his napkin, and then he wipes his face, and then he does the whole damn show all over again. I mean, who does that?
Creepy people do. Hey, does he chew with his mouth open?
No, but I wouldn't care about that. I mean, cause if he did, all I would have to say is, hey, don't chew with your mouth open, you Neanderthal. But how do you tell him, honey? Don't wipe your mouth so much. You're not gonna have any facelift, and it's driving me fucking nuts.
You got a point.
You know what the scary thing is? I can't tell if this is something new or something he's done all along, and I never noticed. Takes a bite of food, puts down his fork, wipes his mouth. But how is that even possible? I mean, I've eaten about 1,000 meals staring across the table at this man, and I never noticed until now. Am I getting off track?
Yes.
Did I answer your question?
No. No, you did not.
What was your question again?
I don't remember.
Are you happily married?
Oh, yes! Sometimes. No, wait. Yes, sometimes.
Why, Maggie?
Charlie asked me to marry him.
Wait, what did you say?
Charlie asked me
No, what did you say? Yes or no?
I didn't really get a chance to respond.
What happened?
Well, it was weird. I mean, 1 minute we're standing next to each other, quiet, holding hands, looking down at Mom's grave, and the next minute he's on one knee in the dirt proposing to me.
How the hell did we miss
Right
that?
in front of Mother.
Yeah, I mean, talk about creepy, right?
It's just selfish and
Is
wrong.
that what you two fought about?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. It seemed like the right thing to do.
He took advantage of your vulnerability.
He asked me to marry him, not loan him money.
Okay, brother, this is ridiculous. You are just too young to know anything.
Okay, now you're officially drunk and jealous.
Drunk? Yes. But jealous of what this biker do with a railroad track across his
You're
face? I don't
jealous
think
because
so.
Charlie and I are happy and you and Daryl aren't.
You can't be. You hardly know the guy.
Okay, but that just doesn't make any sense.
Well, to me it does.
Well, to me it doesn't.
That's because you're too stupid to get it.
I'm not stupid.
Oh, you can't. Oh, yeah? Refactualize isn't a word.
Okay, you better sober up before you start handing out advice.
You made me drink this shit. Didn't she make me drink this
I
shit?
am so not getting into
I
this.
didn't make you do anything. You wanted it. Actually, you needed it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Your life is so uptight and you're so unhappy. You needed that drink.
That's it. That's it.
Don't walk away.
Let her go.
No, I'm sorry, but I have no patience for her.
Well, sometimes I don't either.
No, gee, thanks.
But I deal with it.
Deal with it.
Look, I know she's always irritated you because she's the youngest and Mother did play favorites with her.
But this is so much more than
The
that.
point is she irritated me too, and she still does.
Okay, this conversation is totally
But Maggie is just a product of Mother's bad parenting.
See, not my fault.
But when does it end? When does all the bickering and fighting end?
She never listens to anything anybody ever has to say.
Oh my God! You two are just too damn stubborn, too hard-headed, and too damn female to see past your pettiness. You're sisters, for heaven's sake.
Half sisters.
Same damn thing.
Look, I was just trying to help you.
Well, stop trying to help, Janet. I don't need another Mother. That role belongs to one person and she's dead, so you can just back the hell off.
It's fine. So you're just gonna be stubborn and not listen to anyone and just throw your life away with some loser. Fine, you do that.
A loser. You should talk. Like, your husband's any better? Let's talk loser, shall we? What about Daryl losing his job because he's a freaking alcoholic, and you losing your mind and having to spend time in Hotel California with a bunch of loonies because my mommy was mean to me and I can't take it anymore.
You bitch.
Right back at you, loony.
Maggie!
You don't know. No, you don't. So you better shut your fucking
You
mouth.
need to try to understand that the buildup from years of abuse could cost someone like Janet.
Hey, Agnes, I don't need your help or your pity
It's
here.
not pity. It's understanding. Janet's tender mental state finally broke.
Oh my God, Agnes, shut up!
Believe me, I know more about Janet's tender mental state than you could possibly imagine.
Really? How?
Never mind, it's nothing.
Bullshit. How?
It's nothing, and I mean it.
No, you just can't say shit like that and walk away.
Trust me, Janet, you want me to walk away from this one.
Stop playing games with me!
I'm not playing games! I'm trying to stop something really bad from happening.
I'm not afraid of you, little girl.
Fine. You want to know? You really want to know? Seatbelts are required for this one, so you better buckle buckle up and hang the hell on.
What is going on?
I never brought this up, and you want to know why? Because of Agnes. That's why.
Then stop.
Don't stop.
She looked up to you, and she trusted you. You were all she had in this crazy, mixed-up house, and I didn't want her to know what kind of person you really are.
Maggie, that's enough.
Stay the hell out of this,
Look, I
Agnes.
don't know what's going on, and I don't like it.
You wanted us to talk. Well, we're talking, so if you don't like it, then you can just leave the damn room. Fine. Let's make this a family affair, shall we? Are you listening, Mom? It's time you heard the truth about them. The two of you have been bitching about Mom all day, complaining about what a terrible, cruel mother she was. You know what? The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. You act so righteous all the time, up there on your high horse, but truth is, you aren't anything but shit. Full up to your eyeballs in it.
Okay, Maggie, that's enough.
You really want me to do this?
I dare you.
Fine. So it was summertime, and we're kids. We're out back swimming in the pool, and Mom had just taken Agnes into the house because she got a bloody nose or something. And now it's just Janet and me in the pool. You know, I can't remember everything. It's still a blur, but I do remember you swimming up to me and then grabbing me. Do you remember what happened next, Janet? Do you? Do you remember shoving me under the water and holding me down while I was kicking and screaming trying to swim to the surface?
What?
Do you remember? Do you remember holding me under the water, Janet? Do you?
Yes, I remember. I remember you wanted that stupid yellow ball, but Agnes wouldn't give it to you. So you shoved her face into the side of the pool and you gave her that bloody nose. Do you remember that, Maggie?
You tried to drown me.
I remember you holding on to the edge of the pool in your little pink and flowered swimsuit, looking oh so innocent, but with a hint of a grin that said, yeah, you see what I did? You hurt Agnes on purpose, and I had enough of
You
it.
tried to drown
You
me!
needed to be taught a lesson, and I finally had the chance to do it! So yes, I grabbed you and I shoved you underneath the water and I held you there. And I can still feel your hair getting tangled in my hands, and you're kicking and you're pulling and you're scratching at me. And you know what? The whole time I was praying to God, please, please God, don't let my mommy come out here. Please don't let my mommy come out. And then you let go and you went still.